recognise absolutely that this is currently the law. There is a requirement for the First Minister and I to bring forward this post. That's what we have done for consideration in the Assembly. But my concern really is, what is the role of this Commissioner and what does it add, given that the cost of this, even at a very basic level, is likely to be £1 million per year? So I think it's legitimate for me to raise those concerns to those around the Assembly. I think the key challenge that we are facing at the moment is around public finances. We all know the many, many things that we need to do, that we want to do, not least issues like tackling health waiting lists, issues such as trying to bring in our affordable childcare scheme, looking right across so many of our public services. We need that investment. The news from the Chancellor last week was not positive. And yet, while all of this is going on and we're trying to find that funding and support for those vital public services, we are in the middle of then creating this new Commissioner, where it is not clear to me, it's not clear from the legislation what this actually adds. But I think it's right and proper that the Assembly does take that pause and say to itself, is this something that we need? Is it something that we need at the moment when there's so many other really serious issues that are competing for public funds? And what value does this actually bring? Of course, if it's something that's going to bring that value, you can understand that. But it is not clear at all from the legislation.
All right.
When I've looked into the detail of this, what exactly is the added value that this brings? And is it justified for that £1 million, given that we can already take advice from the Climate Change Committee?